There was a boy named Arman, and everyone in the neighborhood called him the bad boy. He never listened to his parents, skipped school, and spent most of his time wandering the streets. Arman thought breaking rules made him strong, but in reality, it only pushed people away. He would tease younger kids, laugh when elders scolded him, and even steal small things from the local shop. Slowly, people stopped trusting him. Teachers ignored him, friends avoided him, and his own family felt ashamed. One day, Arman tried to join a group of older boys who were known for trouble. They used him, tricked him into stealing, and then left him to face the blame alone. For the first time, Arman realized how lonely he had become. That night, he saw his mother silently crying. Something inside him broke. He understood that being a bad boy was easy, but being a good son was harder and far more important. From that day, Arman decided to change. It wasn't quick or simple, but step by step, he worked to earn back respect. And in the end, people no longer called him the bad boy, they called him the boy who changed.